Single lightweight LED lantern for kids. 5 bright LEDs emit 44 lumens. Runs for up to 16 hours on 4 AA batteries, sold separately. Durable IPX4 water-resistant design. Lifetime LEDs never need replacing. Color you may receive include green, blue, orange, or red. Top reviews from the United States. These are fantastic. I have several to use during power failures instead of flashlights. I love the design as the lid keeps the light from blinding you as you walk around. I had another brand whose lid was clear and you couldn't walk around with it as it blinded you in the dark. But these are great. My 5-year-old great-niece also loves them. I gave her one as a gift and she uses it at night if she wakes up and needs to use the restroom. She hates nightlights when she is sleeping and she hates turning on the big overhead light. So this is perfect for her. Great lantern.